final note about Firestop sealant. You should always inspect above the pipe for the infamous crescent moon installation and for any thin spots. Look to see if the contractor tooled in the sealant into the annulus. While not a requirement per the system, tooling often allows for a tight seal and proper sealant depth.
When inspecting putties, again, was there proper depth? Has the putty been removed and properly replaced? Is the putty in the sleeve or out of the sleeve? When inspecting mortars, once again, was proper depth used? You may need to drill into the mortar to see. Were the forms left in place? Is the mortar chalky? When inspecting pillows, bags, or blocks, was the percentage of compression called out in the system followed? Were there any gaps or voids? Was wire mesh required? Was it installed properly? And was there any damage to the products? For factory devices, you'll want to check to see if the accessories fit. Was the hardware latched? Were the correct fasteners used? When inspecting wrap strips, annular space requirements must be followed because the distance to the heat source is critical. When inspecting composite sheet systems, you'll want to check the hardware that was used to fasten to the structure. Also, was sealant used around the periphery? And was sealant used around the penetrating items? Always look towards the middle.
Many jurisdictions have now adopted the IBC's special inspection requirement, which is why there is a demand for personnel who can conduct knowledgeable and competent inspections according to the ASTM standards outlined in this video. We're also going to include some links for additional resources for inspecting Firestop systems in this video's description. Our hope is that this video will help to raise awareness for the necessity of competent third-party Firestop inspectors. Because at the end of the day, a poor Firestop inspection can be as bad as no inspection at all. Passing Firestop installations that have not been tested not only violate code, but can also prove to be deadly in the event of an actual fire. For more information, please visit www.stifirestop.com.